Hey guys!
Hi!
Seb and Em here. We are doing a little DIY today with vinyl home.
Yes. So our first project we have, and there will be kids coming in and out because mum life. Our first project that we are doing today is a wee cane table with glass top. And we thought that why not add a little bit of practicality of wrapping the glass top with some matte black vinyl. So we'll be doing that just to add, so it's a bit more durable with kids and things like that to have in your lounge, along with style, like I say. So the things that you're going to need with you are a craft knife. We still can't come up with what this thingy is called. It's a 3M squeegee that removes bubbles.
Gets all the bubbles out.
If you know, can you let us know? Then you've got your vinyl, which looks like that, and it's got all your measurements on the back there if anyone is wondering how you kind of figure that out. And then you've got a hairdryer as well. The hairdryer is to help wrapping around the edges and just getting that really seamless, tight, bubble-free look. Right, we will just get set up and then take you along with us. Okay, so we are back and we have prepped the vinyl. So we've cut into the corners how it's going to be wrapped around. I kind of explain it to be just like how you'd be Duracereling a school book, is kind of how we fold the corners in. You can also wrap the whole thing and really bend down the corners, but I think this is going to work perfectly for how we want to achieve the safety aspect of the table as well. So we're going to get our little squeegee and then we will just set up, and I'm going to change the angle of the camera. Bear with us. And then I am going to, so I'm basically just attaching it to a corner, and then I'm going to work out the bubbles as I go and pull the backing off. So it's just about 0.5 centimetre. Little situations like this, if you can see I don't know if you can see with the black, but the bubbling here that happens. So this is when you want to, it's a perfect example of wanting to apply heat. So this is when I'm going to grab my hairdryer and I'm going to bend it down onto the glass and really work those bubbles out. Been moving out all of the little bubbles in here. Now there's a couple of still sort of imperfections which I'm not 100% happy with. So what I'm going to do now is apply some heat, and I'm going to be moving the bubbles out as well as we go. So I will show you, and then the next stage is going to be wrapping those corners. So as you can see, we have wrapped the glass, worked out the bubbles, applied the heat to bend down around the corners, and that's your table. We'll give you a nice close-up now.